CLICsearch is the University of St. Thomas Library's answer to Google. When you conduct a search, it looks for all of our books, ebooks, articles, journals, videos, and more that contain your search terms, similar to the way Google does for websites. There are two main uses of CLICsearch: to find books, ebooks, and dissertations, and to find known items. This video will look at how to find books, ebooks, and dissertations. Finding known items is covered in another video. Let's look at a sample search. First, to get to CLICsearch, navigate to the library website, and the initial search box is in the middle of the page. It is the library's default search. I'll type in the terms I want to look for: autism spectrum disorders. This isn't a great search because I don't specify what aspect of autism spectrum disorders I want to find resources about, but I'll just use it as a general example. As you can see, I get many results, just like Google. I've got over 93,000. But, just like Google, you aren't going to look at all of the results. As I mentioned previously, one of the main uses of CLICsearch is that it will lead you to books. These books are owned by St. Thomas and other Twin Cities private college libraries. We collaborate with these other libraries in a group called Cooperating Libraries in Consortium, or CLIC. The name CLICsearch is probably making more sense now. We've worked with these other libraries by developing an easier way to share materials between our libraries, collectively paying for a courier to transport books between our libraries, and by sharing the CLICsearch system. This makes it almost like you have one huge library of materials to use rather than just what St. Thomas has. Anyway, to find books, you'll need to use CLICsearch. It is probably the easiest way to find ebooks and dissertations as well, though there are other options for searching those. To narrow my search to these item types, I use the limiters on the left side of the page. Under Resource Type, I can click on the word Dissertations, or I can hover my mouse to the left of the word and check the box that appears. The advantage to checking the box is that I can check multiple boxes if I want my results to show several resource types. I check Dissertations and Books, then hit Apply Filters. Note that the Books resource type includes ebooks as well. If you want only digital items, then on the menu on the left, click Available Online under Show Only. You can tell what's an ebook versus a print book because ebooks have online access. Getting to an ebook or an online resource is easy. Just click on the Online Access link, then follow the next link to the database where the item is held. From here, I should either be shown the full text of the item immediately, or may have to click another link to get to it. If you're off campus, this is the point where you'll have to log in with your UST credentials, since you're entering one of our subscription databases only for the UST community. Looking back at my search results, I see some books that are on the shelf at a certain library, and the book's call number, which tells you the location of the bookshelf. If you'd like these books to be sent to a different St. Thomas library, or for the book to be held for you, click on its title and you will be shown the book's record. If there is a yellow bar that prompts you to sign in, you will need to do that at this point. You can tell if you're already signed in if your name appears in the top right corner of CLICsearch. You won't see any yellow bars either. Back at the book's record, click Request UST Copy. Fill out the form and click Request. You will be emailed when your book is held for you at your specified library. It will take 1 to 2 business days to arrive. Stop at the front desk to pick up the book. Another item status you may see is Check CLIC Libraries. This means that the book is held at a different library in the CLIC group. Looking at this dissertation's record, I see that it is held at Bethel University. To get this dissertation, you would need to click Request from a CLIC library. You just need to fill out the request form and hit the Request button. It will take a business day or 2 for the item to arrive. Let's look at one last item. I want to get this book as well. It's located at another CLIC library, but when I view the book's record, it says that it's out of the library at St. Kate's. This means that it's currently checked out by someone else. If I click on the name of the college or university, I can see how long it's checked out for. I also see that there are no other requests for this book, so if you requested this one, you'd be next in line for the book. You'd have to decide if you can wait until the return date. If you can, hit Request from a Click Library and fill out the form. You'll be notified when the book is at the St. Thomas Library of your choice. Remember that the person who has the book now may return it early, so you might not have to wait very long for it. If you really can't wait, then you'll have to request it via interlibrary loan. The details of interlibrary loan are covered in another video. With that, you know the basics of CLICsearch to find books, ebooks, and dissertations.